Grow your hair overnight with this tea spray. If you have been struggling with slow hair growth, thinning edges, hair loss, or dry scalp, this might just be the natural solution you have been praying for. So let me show you step by step on how to make it and use it for that best results. First thing is to be my clean jar. My first ingredient is raw rice. Use any rice you have available. So this type of rice I have available. So I'll be using my spoon to scoop out 3 tablespoons of this rice and transfer it into my jar container. My second ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. You can also use the fresh one if it's what you have, okay? But while using the fresh rosemary leaf, you just need to boil it like 10 to 15 minutes with other ingredients, okay? Once it's 10 to 15 minutes, brought it down and allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, strain it, okay? And the tea spray is ready to be used. But you know, I love infusion method. Even at this dry rosemary leaf, you can also boil it, but I love infusion method because infusion method give me that best result I always love to have on my tea sprays, okay? So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. My third ingredient is basil leaf. Guys, this combination of the 3 ingredients, they are indeed a very game changer. You know that I love using rice, rosemary on my hair, but adding it this basil leaf is another level. It's taking my hair to next level, giving my hair that nourish it desires, solving those hair problems and boosting faster hair growth. This basil leaf is a very great game changer herbs that you need to start incorporating on your hair regimens. I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my basil leaf. So I add my hot water on it, cover it up. I'm going to infuse this for 12 hours. You can as well infuse it overnight. After 12 hours, do you see the amazing result? Do you see how the tea spray have changed in color, meaning that all the ingredients have released their nutrients into this tea spray? This tea spray is indeed a game changer. This tea spray is super potent. If you're not ready to solve those your hair problem, this tea spray is not for you. So I use my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Next thing now is add my essential oil. I'm using a little amount of essential oil. While adding essential oil, please add very little amount of it. So the essential oil I use is rosemary essential oil, okay? If you have any more essential oil, just feel free to add on it, okay? We are good to go. After adding my essential oil, turning it together, I bring my spray bottle to transfer my tea spray in my spray bottle for easy application. As you can see, I made a little bit made because I'm not using funnel. Guys, this tea spray is all you need for that hair growth. I have shown you how to make this tea spray. So next thing now is to show you how to apply it on your hair for that best results. Another thing is to make tea spray, but the next thing is how to use it. How to use it is the key of that good result you desire to have. You can prepare it in a right way, but use it in a wrong way, you will not get that good result you're supposed to get in that tea spray. So I will show you how to use this tea spray to get that good crazy results you're supposed to get using this tea spray. As you can see, my hair is in cornrows. Guys, as you can see, I'm super happy to use this tea spray on my hair because this tea spray is going to be a game changer on my hair growth. This tea spray leave me speechless. After using it for some days, the result I got in using this tea spray is unbelievable. I do not believe this tea spray to work the way it was on my hair. So you just need to pay close attention to get all the instruction on how to use it for that massive growth, massive results. Guys, to be honest with you, if you want to get the most effective result while using your tea spray, is to use it as a leave-in tea spray, allowing that tea spray to sit on your hair. In that case, that tea spray have enough chance to do in good work, to give you that good result it meant to give to you. It's not only applying it and leaving it on your hair. Don't use it on a dirty hair if you want to get that good results. And after applying it on your hair, do not leave it like that without you following up with your sealant, like your hair butter, your leave-in condition, and seal it in with the oil. Don't forget this step. It's very, very necessary that you seal it in with a hair butter or leave-in condition, and finally with your oil. It's very, very important. Another thing that's very, very important for you to do whenever you do tea spray is to massage your scalp. Do not skip scalp massaging. Is more than important, because scalp massaging help the product to penetrate deeply into your hair strands and into your scalp to promote that hair growth, stimulate blood flow to your scalp. Do not just apply the tea spray without giving yourself that gentle scalp massage. Don't skip this part. It's very, very necessary. If you want to take this tea spray to next level, you can use your steamy cap for 10 to 15 minutes. But if you don't have steamy cap, use your cellophane nylon or your shower cap to cover up your hair for 15 to 20 minutes to trap some heat. That way you will get the most effective, faster results. Guys, I'm giving the honest truth. I'm giving you the secrets of how you can use this tea spray to get that crazy result in a very short period of time. In 7 days, you will see the visible results. There's no joke, there's no gatekeeping in this video. So try to do all this, are you going to get the best results. Storage. Store this tea spray only about 7 to 5 days. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Usage. Use this tea spray 3 to 4 times in a week for that best results. And please try to put your hair in protective hairstyle, okay, before you start using this tea spray, to avoid manipulations of hair. Protective hairstyle will help you a lot to track good results on this tea spray. I hope today's video is very helpful to you. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, just click on that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Help me to like this video if you have not liked up to this point. It helped me a lot, encourage me a lot to put out more good content, okay? And please share these videos for those that struggle for hair loss, thinning hair, that struggle for hair growth. It will help them a lot, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.